It's officially grilling season today in Wild in the Kitchen. I'm here with Chef Kevin Convalson from Firelight Grill House and Cocktail Bar. And Chef Kevin, when it's grilling season, that means we're usually consuming a lot of meat and vegetables and some fish typically, but I see venison here, so what are we making?
Yeah, we sure do. Yeah, so we've got some Greek venison kebabs that we're gonna do with some peppers and onion. We've got a little yogurt sauce we're gonna make, so it's Greek in style.
I love it. All right, so we have a marinade here, and I'm guessing it's important to marinate this venison since we're cutting it up in small pieces.
Yep, it's already been cut up to about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. We're just gonna dump everything into this bag and let it sit for 2 to 24 hours. 24 hours would be best.
Okay.
So go ahead, we're gonna dump in the juniper berry.
Juniper berry.
Yeah, fresh rosemary.
All of it?
Yep, the whole thing. Then we're gonna do soy sauce, orange juice.
Freshly squeezed,
Yep.
I can tell.
And then Worcestershire.
Say that 3 times fast.
Worcestershire! That's yummy. And then we can put our meat right in there. Now we can just pull that right out. I'm gonna squeeze out any excess air. And if you want to shake that.
Shake it up. It sits for 24 hours, you said?
Yep, perfect.
Love it.
Just gonna put a lot of flavor into that meat, keep it juicy and moist when we grill it.
Love it. I'm ready to do some chopping.
All right, looks like that. All right, we're just gonna do a healthy pinch of that mint there.
Watch the fingers.
Watch your fingers, yep, very important. Go ahead, add that.
A couple tablespoons?
Yep. Next, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon.
Okay.
If you wanna squeeze it right in your hand, catch any seeds. Next, let's add our yogurt.
And how much Greek yogurt?
That is about 1.5 cups.
This is plain Greek yogurt.
Yep.
Don't want any added flavor.
No. And then we have 2 tablespoons of harissa.
Harissa.
Yeah.
Yum, one of my favorite ingredients.
And we're basically just gonna blend that together.
Our sauce is complete. Does this need to sit like the venison does?
Yep, 24 or 48 hours would be optimal.
Let those flavors blend together.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, time for vegetables?
Yep.
I'm ready for more chopping.
All right. So we're gonna do our onion first. All the way through, about 4 times is fine. You get about 1-inch pieces. Perfect. Don't cry.
You're making me cry, Chef. Those aside, now it's time for our pepper.
Yeah. So what I just like to do is cut off the ends and just come down one side. And then just kind of unroll it. And you have everything here. And this is the piece you want to use.
It's a good way to show off.
Yeah, exactly. I want to impress some people.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Gotta have all the colors.
All right, Lauren, so we're ready to skewer the kebabs. So I've got some pre-soaked little skewers here. We're gonna start with an onion, and you can go in any order you want.
Now, when you're making kebabs, you want to leave space in between so everything cooks
Just a little
evenly?
bit, yeah. You don't want to skewer it too tight. So I leave a little bit of room, just so when you're eating them, you can
I see.
little handle
Well,
to
this
eat.
is Greek to me, let me tell you, because I'm new at kebab assembling. Okay, this guy looks good.
All right. All right, so we're ready for the grill. If you just want to throw them on, we're just gonna do a few minutes on each side. Yeah, the grill is super hot.
So there you have it, a wild summer recipe made simple. I'm going in for a taste.
All right.
Here we go. Mmm. It's Greek. I mean, great.